Let's go! Baby bingo!
Hello kids, get ready to learn some tasty fruit names. Say each fruit loud and clear with me. Let's go! Apple. Apple. This is apple. Orange. Orange. This is orange. Mango. Mango. This is mango. Papaya. Papaya. This is papaya. Cherry. Cherry. This is cherry. Strawberry. Strawberry. This is strawberry. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is pomegranate. Watermelon. Watermelon. This is watermelon. Pineapple. Pineapple. This is pineapple. Peach. Peach. This is peach. Banana. Banana. This is banana. Kiwi. Kiwi. This is kiwi. Guava. Guava. This is guava. Sugarcane. Sugarcane. This is sugarcane. Raspberries. Raspberries. These are raspberries. Grapes. Grapes. These are grapes. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. This is dragon fruit. Avocado. Avocado. This is avocado. Coconut. Coconut. This is coconut. Blackberry. Blackberry. This is blackberry. Lychee. Lychee. This is lychee. Fig. Fig. This is fig. Plum. Plum. This is plum. Tamarind. Tamarind. This is tamarind. Pear. Pear. This is pear. Yummy veggies are waiting. Come learn their names with me. Onion. Onion. This is onion. Potato. Potato. This is potato. Radish. Radish. This is radish. Carrot. Carrot. This is carrot. Cabbage. Cabbage. This is cabbage. Tomato. Tomato. This is tomato. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Beetroot. Beetroot. This is beetroot. Cucumber. Cucumber. This is cucumber. Pumpkin. Pumpkin. This is pumpkin. Garlic. Garlic. This is garlic. Ginger. Ginger. This is ginger. Peas. Peas. These are peas. Green beans. Green beans. These are beans. Broccoli. Broccoli. This is broccoli. Turnip. Turnip. This is turnip. Eggplant. Eggplant. This is eggplant. Bell pepper. Bell pepper. This is bell pepper. Sweet potato. Sweet potato. This is sweet potato. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. This is bitter gourd. Spinach. Spinach. This is spinach. Corns. Corns. These are corns. Mint. Mint. These are mint leaves. Jalapeno. Jalapeno. This is jalapeno. Okra. Okra. This is okra. Great job, little learners. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos.